Hello class, my name is Professor Rapp, and today we'll be talking about the techniques and mechanics of throwing a football. Now the first part that I've broken this down into is how to hold, the proper way to hold the football. So if I'm a righty, obviously I want the right hand on the ball. If I was a lefty, I would want the left hand on the ball predominantly. So I'm a righty, so we'll be talking about the right. So let's break this down into fingers. You want your 3 fingers here, your pinky, your ring, and your middle finger touching the laces. Okay? And your index finger, you want in a comfortable position, wrapped around. Everyone's hand sizes are different, so it's not really a set place on where to put it, just where you're comfortable on. And you want your thumb wrapping around towards the other side of the football. Now, how do we grip the football? You don't grip it with your palm of your hand, but you grip it with the tips of your fingers. That's where you apply the force. And when you're gripping it with the tips of your fingers, you want to have a little space in between from the football to the palm of your hand. Okay, now let's talk about the proper way to where we're going to hold the football and where we're going to throw the ball. So you don't want the ball all the way up here, you don't want the ball all the way down here. You want it about shoulder level, comfortable position, and this is the proper way where I want you to have it. You want your chin tucked towards your shoulder, and then I want you to think in terms of a rubber band, how you're pushing a rubber band back, and then you're letting it and you're releasing it. But before we get to that, I also want to talk about where my legs are going to be. So we call this the point leg. If I was throwing to the left, I would want my leg pointed here. If I was throwing straight, here. If I was throwing towards the right, I would want it here. For this, we'll be talking about straight. So as you come here, you now point. As you're pointing, you're pulling back, like we said with the rubber band. Now what's the next part? You let go of the rubber band. As you let go with the rubber band, this arm is releasing towards, like in this kind of motion, and you're violently, it's a violent kind of rip down, and everything else is just following you. And as you're following you, I want you to end up with all your momentum going forward, not going back, almost like you're picking your pocket. Okay, so let's slow it down again. Okay, tips of your fingers on the ball, 3 fingers on the laces, thumb wrapped around. Ball in a comfortable position. I see my target straight ahead, pointing it, and it's corresponding movements of your leg moving as your shoulders moving, coming back, violent with the arm, releasing the football down, momentum going forward, and I'm finishing with picking my pocket. That's how I want you to remember it. Okay, so I just want to say thank you guys for everything, and hope you enjoyed this video.